Smart home security has never been brighter. Introducing the Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight camera. It's a combination of our award-winning camera technology, paired with the superior brightness of a powerful LED floodlight, delivering the first ever floodlight camera that can be set up entirely wire-free, giving you total flexibility for maximum visibility, with a sleek and intelligent design that complements any exterior. A wide, crisp picture with color night vision lets you zoom in on the details. And a built-in smart siren can easily be triggered when you're away. With flexible power options, you can use the rechargeable battery or provide continuous power through a power outlet or solar panel. And rest assured with Arlo's Privacy Pledge that ensures your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. The Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight camera. It's security at its brightest.